Welcome to the weekly weather briefing from the National Weather Service in Spokane for Monday, January 12th, 2015. So here is a quick overview of the next 7 days. Most of the work week will see clouds and fog, with the threat of precipitation winding down. Then, toward the end of the work week, the pattern changes again. A good chance of snow comes to the mountains, while the valleys will see a rain-snow mix, especially later Thursday into Friday. Some freezing rain or sleet could be mixed in. The pattern remains active into next weekend, with periodic rain and snow. So first, a system will continue to move southeast and out of the region Monday night into Tuesday. The west-northwest steering flow will keep a flurry or isolated snow shower threat alive across the Idaho Panhandle through Blue Mountains. Then, over the next day or so, high pressure takes hold. It becomes centered over the northern Rockies, setting up a low-level easterly flow. Temperature inversions developing in this pattern will promote stratus and fog. This will impact most valley basin areas through Thursday. One exception, however, will be across the Palouse. As that easterly flow begins to strengthen, the threat is expected to shift out of that region. Confidence in precise timing is low, but loose agreement suggests sometime toward late Tuesday night or Wednesday morning. In general, the fog may reduce visibilities to a half-mile or less in some locations. Patchy drizzle could also be squeezed out of the stratus too, with the main threat shifting toward the north and western Columbia Basin Wednesday, as that easterly flow sets up. Going into the latter half of the work week, the pattern changes. This graphic shows the rough placement of the incoming storm system late Thursday, with a warm front pushing into the region Thursday night into Friday morning, before the cold front swings by later Friday. It taps subtropical moisture, also known as the atmospheric river or Pineapple Express. This setup will bring a good chance of precipitation to the region. The threat may start as early as Thursday morning near the Cascades and northern mountains as light snow. However, the better threat comes in later Thursday afternoon through Friday. Milder air surging in with the system will allow for some variation in precipitation type. Moderate to heavy snow is possible in the mountains, especially above about 3,000 to 4,000 feet. Portions of the eastern basin into the LC Valley will likely see snow changing to rain, or for some, all rain. A wintry mix will be possible towards the western basin into the sheltered valleys in the lee of the Cascades. Confidence is high that there will be precipitation with this system. Confidence is also fair to high that moderate snow will fall in the mountains. However, confidence is low regarding the potential for the wintry mix. Here is a close-up image of the potential precipitation types from Thursday afternoon through Friday. Again, it shows the moderate to heavy snow potential in the mountains, shaded in blue, and the wintry mix potential near the western and northern basin, shaded in orange. Elsewhere, confidence leans towards snow changing to rain, or remaining as all rain for some. Going into the next weekend, the inland northwest remains in an active pattern. This graphic is a snapshot of the projected weather picture Friday night, with the jet stream location marked by the yellow arrow, and the train of systems lined up across the Pacific. System 1 is the system that brings our active weather Thursday night and Friday. It will be exiting to the east Friday night, shifting the precipitation threat into the mountains. Between Saturday and Monday, Systems 2 and 3 slide inland. We are pretty confident there will be some wet weather over the weekend. However, confidence is low over which periods of the weekend will be wetter. Model consistency in this regard is poor. However, at this time, the systems look relatively mild, favoring mountain snow and a rain-snow mix in the valleys. Lastly, here is the 8 to 14 day outlook from the Climate Prediction Center for the period of January 20th through the 26th. They are calling for near normal temperatures and below normal precipitation chances across the Pacific Northwest. To summarize the impacts, fog Tuesday to Thursday, periods of mountain snow Thursday afternoon onward, a possible wintry mix for the valleys, including possible freezing rain and sleet Thursday afternoon into Friday morning. Please monitor our forecast throughout the week for updates. Check us out on Twitter, Facebook, and YouTube. Thank you for tuning in to this weekly weather briefing.